Really excited today. We have a new piece of equipment that just got delivered. You know, is it a car? Is it a boat? Is it a plane? No, it's something even better. It's our brand new Snap-on training kit. And in this kit, we're going to be able to do tool identification for students. You know, it wouldn't have happened without the help of a lot of different organizations that are on board with us. You know, we have the Stanley W. Ekstrom Foundation, Deli Web, we have the City of LA. We just have a lot of great organizations that are coming to help us and helping us, you know, purchase items like this. This box is going to be deployed into South LA, Watts, all the other neighborhoods that we're working in, and be able to get the kids those basic needs for them so they can get those jobs. We're talking to several of the different companies out there, and they all say, look, accelerate. We want the kids just to know their tools and terminology, and then we can teach them a lot more, and we can teach them a lot what we want to teach them in the shop, but it's just those basics. So we're out there, we're starting to get that going. So hit us up, take a look at our website, and see what classes are next. Our very next class right now is at the Los Angeles Police Museum out in Highland Park. But we'll have a couple more coming up during the summer. So take a look and keep in touch.